Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Bangalore character in Apex Legends. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with her eyes first. So we're just going to draw almost like two lines for the upper eyelids, and then on the inside here we're just going to slant it down a little bit. Okay, and then once we have that shape, we can draw in the eyeball itself. So right underneath there, we're just gonna draw almost like two half circles. And then I'm gonna leave a little bit of just draw a little bit of circle just to leave a little bit of highlight. I know it's kind of small, so I'm gonna shade it in. All right, so those are gonna be our eyes, so we're just gonna keep it simple. And then for the eyebrow, it's gonna be a little bit of a mean brow, so we just gotta go up. Start here and just go up. And let's see, I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. So I'm just gonna draw one more line with a Sharpie. Alright, so those are gonna be our eyes and eyebrows, and let's move on down to her nose. So right on the corner here, we'll come down and make two little marks. And then just round it off. And then for her mouth, I'm going to give her a little bit of a meaner look. So just one line across first. And then lower lip, I'm going to draw one shorter line. And then the upper lip, I'm going to draw another line a little bit closer down. And then once you have those three lines, just kind of connect all the corners to the corner of the mouth. Okay, so that's the easier way to draw any kind of lip. Alright, so let's move on to her face. So we're going to come out to the side here. Just kind of two lines, kind of tapering in slightly, and then until you reach about the mouth area. And then once you reach that area, we're going to come in a little bit more. And I'm just going to close it off. Okay, and then for the top here, I'll make it a little bit higher to the hairline, and we're just gonna go all the way across. Just round it off. And then for her hair, I'm gonna start here. You can make two little marks on the side like this first, and then I'm gonna go up, but just kind of give it a little bit of a wiggle on your line. She's got clumpy hair. Just go all the way around. And once you have that, we can add in just a little bit of these curly shapes on the inside, just to try to make it feel like there's a lot of clumps. Alright, and then let's see, finish off her face, her ear, right across from the eye. Just come out and draw a little curve. Same thing here. Alright. So now we can move on down to her body. So for her neck, just gonna come down a little bit. And then for the collar, just slant it in first. And then for her shoulders right here, just gonna go out. On the side here, we're gonna come down, just straight down. And now we're going to draw all the way down to her waist. So just kind of pinch it in. And then close it off. And then for her belt, just going to draw one section right underneath. And then for this one, let's just go ahead and draw in. She's got like a little, kind of like a skirt coming down. So we're just going to extend it. And then just round it off. Close everything off. Alright, so now we can add in some details. So I'm just going to start here. Just going to draw a little buckle here. And then coming back up here, she's got like 3 canisters, but I'm just going to draw 2. So I'm going to draw one here. And then one more on the bottom. And once you have those two for the There's a little bit more detail here, so just slant in and just close it off. So same thing here. Close it off. And then we can add a little bit of detail here. This will be different color. Okay, and then let's see. Let's add in a little bit of color here. So just gonna come in and draw another line. So it should be behind the canisters. And then we're gonna draw one big strap that's kind of holding on to these canisters. So I'm gonna come from the corner, just come down right here. I'll probably draw two. Probably won't see a lot of it. Okay, as long as you have one little line, and then we'll continue that right behind the canister. Close it off. And then we'll just draw two little lines here as if it's connecting to the belt. Okay, and then for a little more detail here, we're gonna draw one line across. And then one more line at the bottom. Okay, so we'll leave it like that. And then on the bottom here, she's got more of those canisters. Looks like a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna draw one. And then I'm gonna draw one more next to it. So same thing, I'm gonna add in two little lines. And then for the tip here, same thing, just kind of slant in and close it. It's a little bit smaller. There's extra details that we're adding on. And then she's gonna have one belt around this thing. So we're gonna draw just one curve going right behind the canisters. And then once you have that, we're gonna draw another one. So this will finish off the belt. And then lastly, for some detail here, we can add in a little bit of border for our clothing. And then one little pouch on the side here. So I'm just gonna draw like a little angle. It's gonna go behind the body. Alright, so now let's draw in her arms, and she's got a little bit of a, I don't know what it is, some kind of pouch or armor. So we're gonna come out, just kind of curve down, and then just kind of round it off and go back into the shoulder. Okay, so same thing here, gonna come out, come down, and then round it off and just go back in. Okay, and then for the sleeve herself, I'm gonna come in, just come down, and then here's the armpit. I'm gonna start here, and then close it off. It's gonna be a sleeve. And then for the lower arm, flare out. This one's gonna curve a little bit, and this one's almost straight down. Close it off, and then for a thumb, for a fist, little hook for a thumb, and then back of the fist, curl it, just connect that. And I think she's got a bunch of straps here, like some kind of wrapping, so I'm just gonna draw some lines here across. Alright, so same thing on the other side. So here's the armpit, here's the sleeve. We're gonna start here, come down, just close it off, use the other side for reference. Lower arm, flare out. This one's curving, this one's almost straight down. Close it. And then same thing here for this fist, little hook. And then let's add in the same detail here, so a couple of lines, just 3 lines. Okay, before we move down to her legs, let's just finish up here. She's got, looks like some kind of weapon on the back here. So this one's really easy. Just come up and draw like a little rectangle right behind everything. And I'm gonna add in one line for some detail. Alright, so now we can move on down to her legs. So we're gonna come down here behind the skirt underneath. Let's draw one curve. So here's the middle. We're gonna slant in this way. Close it off. And then for the knee pads here, we're just gonna come down with a little bracket and then just round it off, make it a little bit sharper. And then for the details, I'm just gonna add in one in the middle. Let's just add in 2 on the top. All right, so same thing on the other side. Let's work on this side first. Middle, slant, close it, bracket, close it, sharper, circle, circle, circle. All right, so lower leg, gonna flare out. This kind of folds over the boot. So I'm gonna close it off first, and then come in, and just kind of pinch it, close it, and then the dome shape here, come down, come out more on this side, close it, and then let's add in one section for the sole, and one line up here. Okay, so same thing on the other side, flare out, close it, come in here, close, and dome shape coming down, go out more on this side, close it, and then add one section, and then same thing here, one line across. And that is it for this character in Apex Legends. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.